Hey everybody, sorry, I was doing this video with one hand. Anyways, to go through the process, this is whenever your pellet probe is out of alignment. This video will be showing you how to fix that basically, and what I'm showing you here is actually on my gun, showing you that the pellet probe is aligned. You can tell that the pellet probe is aligned because whenever you fully close the bolt, it goes forward and then comes back and is flush with that rear plate right there. You don't want it whenever the pellet probe block goes slightly forward whenever you're closing the bolt. You don't want to go past your plates. So there you go, I'm showing you again. Now I'm cocking it. Whenever you close it, you can see how it goes forward a little bit. Whenever you pull it back, obviously it comes back. And if you just give me 1 second, I had to set the phone down so I could take off the cocking block, and there we go. Alright, so if you turn it, it is a left hand thread, so if you turn it clockwise it will loosen it. If you turn it counterclockwise it will tighten it actually. As in, the farther you turn it clockwise, the farther out it'll be, as in it'll go farther towards the rear of the gun. The more counterclockwise you turn it, the closer to the breech it will come, as in it gets tighter on the rod. So I tightened it up a couple times. I turned it counterclockwise, and as you can see now, it's now out of alignment. It is going too far into the breech, and most likely that gun will, the bolt will not fully close if I had to have a barrel in there with a pellet. If I did, you would have some extremely slow velocities. You'd probably lose immediately about 200 to 300 feet per second. So now I'm gonna basically misalign it the other direction, just to show you what it looks like whenever it's out of alignment on the other way, which would be too far back. So just getting it lined up, and here we go. Let's get back in focus. There we go. Now you can see it is way too far back. This can cause you not only the low velocities, but also it will cause a lot of blowback onto your face or cheek or whatever whenever you're shooting. Because what it is you're no longer creating a seal with your breech seal that's on the inside of your brass inlet. So here, I'm just taking you through the whole process of me lining it back up. It's a little bit out of focus right there. But as you can see, I'm still out of alignment, so I need to take it off. And I need to tighten it up a little bit. I realized right there that I was actually turning it clockwise instead of counterclockwise, which is why I quickly took it back off. Whenever you're adjusting, be sure to remember the how many different revolutions you went around. So if you ever need to go back to a certain setting, you know how to get there. Alright, you can see here how it looks like I am in alignment, but if you closely watch, whenever you pull the bolt forward, you can see that block coming forward of the plate. That block coming forward of the plate will also cause your magazine not to fit into the breech, and you won't be able to load a pellet in, essentially. Oh, you could still single load, but you wouldn't be able to use a magazine because that probe block would be trying to come forward while magazines in there, it's just not going to work. Alright, as you can see now, the probe is in alignment. It doesn't come forward of it, and it's not too far back. It's just about flush. Another measurement you could do is 44 millimeters from the back of the probe block to the rear plate. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have questions.